day 4, right? Yesterday was day 3. Day 4. I was planning on going into town this morning, but the business I needed to go to is closed on Mondays. I didn't realize that until I went to call them when I thought they were open. I found out they're closed on Mondays. We got a little bit of a late start, but that's okay. I forgot some stuff. We got a lot of digging to do first. We're gonna probably cut this wall straight, cut the corners square, or more square at least. And then I'll bring that string line up here, and we'll get the wall really straight. And then I think my transit should be here today. So if that thing shows up, maybe I'll go home for lunch, see if that's there. And if it's there, I'll bring that back out, and we can get grade set on everything. It froze last night, so the mud up here isn't too bad. It's still frozen. That won't last for long. Yeah, I'll show everybody what we got going on here. It's a sight for sure. Flip this around. So we got a whole pad cut. I need to bring this wall back, take a couple more trees out, take out this guy. You can kind of see that little start of a peninsula. We need to bring that back. Make this whole wall straight. Make both the corners square. Cut those straight. I might take this back another 25 feet. I gotta see what we're gonna do here. I might take it all the way and have the wraparound driveway. We're all winging it. I mean, Liz and I are winging it. We don't really know what we got to work with because we've never done anything like this. So we're just digging this out. I knew we had dirt. You know, I got a little background in landscaping and construction, so I knew we had dirt to work with. But I might cut this whole thing back and maybe make it so the driveway comes beneath our place down here or something. Cut all this and put like a nice little block wall along there with a bed above it or something. And then you loop in over here, come into the house. We're gonna build the house into the bank here. So I believe that's gonna be about a 10-foot wall, which should be fine. With the slope, it's pretty mellow. The vegetation, it's holding everything. I think it'll be fine. I'm hoping to be able to do some sort of step over here, up on the upper bank. Maybe get the mini up there and reach down and cut a little wall in there, just so I don't have a ton of overhead pressure pushing against all this. Because I'm going to run a block wall the whole span of this. Some sort of block wall. I don't know if I'm going to do a cement block. Obviously it'll be a cement block, but I just haven't determined what kind, if I'm going to make it fancy or if I'm going to build a house right into the block wall. Use that as my stem wall foundation. But we'll see here. We got a line out to the electric people, the power company. I thought it was going to be quick. They're telling me they can't get a guy out here for at least a month and a half maybe. So that was sweet. I wasn't really anticipating that. I was hoping to get him out here this week and, you know, he could tell me what I got going on here, and I was hoping to dig my trench, but now I'm kind of up in the air. I haven't decided what I'm going to do, if I'm just going to go for it and dig the trench where I think it's going to go, or wait for them, because I'll have to bring this thing back out here if that's the case. So I don't know, we'll see. I also got to get this Mini up there. I'm gonna have to take these trees out, some of them, to put the septic in. I got a lot of dirt work to do, lots and lots of dirt work. All right, I'm gonna shut my mouth, get back to work here, getting this thing